Masih ingat dengan Kenzie Aquatic? Begini nasibnya sekarang. Ampi kamang, tutup kamang, bangkrut kamang, pensiun kamang, gulung tikar. Oh, pindah. Halo, assalamualaikum Tante. Ketemu lagi dengan channel perikanan nomor 1 di Kalsel, MuRezTa Fish Channel.
Welcome to MuRezTa Fish Channel.
Bos, jangan lupa like, share, comment, and subscribe. Halo, assalamualaikum Tante Bosis. Apa kabar pian semua? Semoga kabar pian semua sehat dan bahagia. Nah, kali ini MuRezTa Fish Channel berkunjung ke tempat teman ulun, yaitu Hair dari Kenzie Aquatic, yang di awal tahun 2025 ini pindah ke toko baru. Untuk alamat toko masih di sekitaran Pekauman Banjarmasin, namun tempatnya sekarang agak lebih ke depan dan tentunya memiliki fasilitas yang lebih baik dari toko sebelumnya, yaitu parkiran yang lebih luas dan pilihan ikan yang semakin beragam karena terlihat di sini akuariumnya semakin banyak. Oke Om Tante Gosis, ikutin terus video kali ini. Namun sebelum mulai, langkah baiknya klik tombol subscribe, like, comment, and share channel ini agar Ulun semakin bersemangat dan memberikan informasi mengenai dunia perikanan di Kalsel. Selamat menonton. Assalamualaikum.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. Whenever you wish, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Rambutnya seng. Hitam deh. Kira dijual kan mata balonnya? Mata balonnya kan dijual kan? Tahu, lihat tiba kamihnya. Lihat tiba kamihnya. Listrik. Warnanya berubah. Rejup listriknya.
Oke Tante Brosis, sampai di sini dulu video kali ini. Apabila ada kesalahan informasi yang disampaikan bisa pian tulis di kolom komentar. Ulun undur pamit. Assalamualaikum.